Welcome everybody, Land Rover back on track. First of all, before I start this video, I'd like to apologize for the long hiatus I was on. Well, I was busy with things of my own business. And I'd like to appreciate you guys if you're still watching this and haven't unsubscribed yet. Now, you guys probably noticed from the video title already, but I ordered this very highly rated speaker called UE Boom 2. So I just ordered this from Amazon. Should be arriving anytime soon tomorrow, and I'm very excited, so that's why I'm taking this video now. And I'll see you guys healthy and fit until tomorrow. Alright guys, so I just woke up. I'm super hyped. I really can't wait for that speaker to arrive. Should be arriving anytime soon. I couldn't sleep yesterday, so I'm really hyped for this speaker to come. Oh, it's here. It's here. I'm super hyped now. Is that a package for me? I did not expect that squirrel to come over here. But this time, I'm gonna kill you. Damn scream. Damn scream ruining my day. Just trying to unbox the damn speaker. Are you kidding me? It doesn't have any bullets. One more step, and I'm gonna shoot you, Scream. One more step, I swear. Shit. My shoulders. Yes, that's what you get, Scream. Oh man. Whew. I just wanted to unbox some speaker, man. And you had to come over here right now, huh? That's what you get. Alright guys, sorry for the little quarrel over there. The Scream dude just came in. He messed up all my plans. Anyways, I'm going to get back to what I originally planned to. I'm going to be unboxing the Ultimate Ears Boom 2. Alright, let's see what we have over here. Okay, so we have this charger over here. We have the instruction manual, which I'm probably not going to read. And we finally have